So after much research, I'm sharing an absolutely magical remedy that works 100%. So I tried this one on my own hair, on my husband's gray hair. And the best part is that this natural hair color is going to last on your hair for at least a month. And I'm going to try this on camera on my husband's gray hair and will show you before and after results. Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Some of you were constantly requesting me to share a DIY natural hair dye remedy. So after much research, I'm sharing an absolutely magical remedy that works 100%. So I tried this one on my own hair, on my husband's gray hair, and I also encourage some of my friends to try it. And our collective experience has been so good that I can guarantee you that it's going to work on your hair as well. And the best part is that this natural hair color is going to last on your hair for at least a month. And since it's all natural, your hair quality will also improve drastically. So this video is going to be super interesting because I'm going to share a step-by-step recipe of making this hair dye at home. And I'm going to try this on camera on my husband's gray hair and will show you before and after results. So you can decide on yourself whether this works or not. So make sure that you watch this video till the end and do not skip on any of the steps. If you have any queries, then feel free to write down in the comments. I would definitely try to answer them. And with that said, let's get started. I'm going to apply this on my husband's gray hair for you to see the before and after difference clearly. He doesn't use any chemical hair dyes but mostly sticks to natural Ayurvedic hair masks. So step number 1 is preparing a henna mask to be applied first. As usual, I'm using an iron vessel to soak henna in. Iron reacts with Ayurvedic herbs and powders and enhances their potency. If you wish to buy the exact same products that I'm using here, then refer to the shopping links given in the description box. To achieve that stunning deep orange henna color, I'm using tea water or tea brew to soak the henna in. To prepare this tea brew, just boil some water and tea leaves together for a few minutes and then cool it down completely. Adding this tea water slowly to make a lump-free paste. Now this henna paste needs a minimum of 8 hours to soak and exude a dark tint. I left it to soak overnight and the color has darkened. Before applying this henna, make sure that your hair is not greasy or dirty, otherwise the coloring pigments will not be able to penetrate inside the hair structure. To get the desired color, we need to leave this on for at least 2 hours. Once the henna is applied, let it remain in hair for at least 2 hours and then rinse it with plain water. Do not shampoo. Shampoo will wash away the natural and herbal pigments away, so use only plain water at first to rinse off henna. As you can probably tell, the hair has turned orangish red and this is the exact color that we needed. Now comes step number 2, which is soaking indigo powder. Here I'm using plain water to make a smooth paste. If you have noticed, I'm using a glass bowl instead of a metal one simply because we are going to add tea tree essential oil later in this hair mask, and essential oils should not come in contact with any metals. So using a plastic or a glass one or any non-metal container is recommended. You can skip adding essential oil if you wish to. This water and indigo mixture needs to be soaked only for 20 to 25 minutes. This is what the orange henna tinted hair looks like. Apply generously on the hair section by section. Now leave this at least for 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, just rinse it with plain water only. Please do not use shampoo at this moment. So after rinsing with plain water, this is what the hair looks like. It appears much more dark. Now at this point, one needs to apply hair oil generously to lock in the color. Oil will seal the pigments in the hair structure for a very long time. Shampoo should be used only after 24 hours. This natural indigo hair dye remains in the hair for close to 4 weeks or approximately a month, depending on how well you take care of your hair. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please try this one out and let me know in the comments how was your experience. All the buying links are given in the description box. And this is all for today. I'll see you all very soon. Bye and take care.